Feast your eyes and taste buds with this red and white potato salad. Its wonderful aroma, not to mention its incredible taste, will absolutely get everyone filled and satisfied. You would want to start by placing the white potatoes and red potatoes into a large bowl. Set it aside and into another bowl, pour the red wine vinegar, then add the Dijon mustard, salt, fresh dill, garlic, ground black pepper, and olive oil. Whisk the ingredients together before pouring it over the potatoes. Stir and toss gently to coat, then cover with cling wrap. Now let it chill for at least 2 hours, and once chilled, add in the green onions and parsley. Stir gently to coat and let it chill once more for 1 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, add the mayonnaise and sour cream into a bowl and whisk until combined. Pour it onto the chilled potato salad and stir to coat. Add in the red radish and fold to combine before placing on a serving bowl. Garnish with slices of eggs, chopped bacon, and Italian parsley, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.